Alright everybody, today we are back with the Eureka Elivate cordless vacuum. This is their brand newly released machine. You can see it has a removable battery, has a XL 1 liter capacity dart cup for uninterrupted cleaning. It has a completely sealed system, deep cleans carpets and hard floors, 30 minutes of runtime and only 7 pounds. You can see here that it uses a brushless motor. You see it has like an LCD display right there. And that's the same there. Yeah, it's basically the same. And it does include a couple of tools. So let's get to unboxing this. I'm going to move the camera here. Can you see me here? Yes, you can. So let's open this up. See what we got. Okay, looks like we have to do it like this. Oh, it comes out in one tray. That's nice. So we have the charger. Not too bad. Kind of reminds me of a Dyson charger. Puts out about 30 volts. 500 milliamps. Not too bad. Here's the tube. Nice aluminum tube. Clicky buttons right there. Got this pup right here. This is their Crevice Tool. We got this right here. Pretty soft dusting brush. It's not the super stiff ones that some companies use. You can also use this as a upholstery tool. Would I recommend that? It looks kind of small. Battery. I'm interested to see how big this battery is. It's decently heavy. 51 watt hours. It's about what I was expecting. Not too bad at all. Alright, so here is the power head. Oh, that's actually pretty substantial. You can see have actually pretty stiff brushes. We have soft wheels, rubber, felt. Take apart by turning these three, I guess you call them screws right here. Does stand up like that. Wall mount. I'm not going to use that. Like, I don't have any places to hang vacuums anymore. And the unit itself, it's pretty light, but it doesn't have the battery in yet. Alright. So, the Hepa filter comes off just like this. Whoops. What was that? Flying. Pretty small Hepa filter, but the pre-filter should capture most of the dirt. It's pretty tight, actually. It is a sealed system according to them. That locked? Yep, that's locked. Bin releases like this. You have a dual layered pre-filter. We have this small piece of foam right here. See, there is a cyclone down here if you can see that. Then we have this pretty thick fabric filter. And we do have a cyclone. You can see it right down there. Sorry, it's kind of dark. It's later in the day, and my camera light doesn't work. It needs new batteries, but don't have the time to replace them right now. So, just gonna live with the flash. All right. Let's see what it sounds like. Can you clean stairs? Oh, yes, you can, I think. Yep, you can. And there goes the battery. Guess I didn't click it in. There we go. not too shabby. Now, if I remember, goodness gracious, hopefully I didn't stick this in permanently. This doesn't come off. Well, I'll worry about this another time. What the heck? Technical difficulties here. So does this just not come off? Is this... You gotta be kidding me. What the hell? Just gonna have to do it like that. There we go. They're just really stuck in there. Yeah, that's normal, so it just sticks really hard. That's how it goes on and off. So I wouldn't really recommend doing that. Hopefully it doesn't stick that hard now. Alright, well, note to self, don't stick the cleaner head to the hand vac, because it doesn't come off. That's a little annoying. Okay, I didn't break it. Supposedly it stands up on its own. I'll probably need the bin in for that to work. There we go. It's a little finicky. Well, I wouldn't say it stands up on its own, unless you have to do it on hard floor. Let me go see if it stands up on its own on hard floor. No, it doesn't. You'll have to lean it against a wall like most cordless vacuums. Maybe I was reading about a different vacuum. I was looking at a lot of them, so I don't know. Honestly, can't remember. It's already dirt in the bin. Not surprising. Not sure how you're supposed to charge this battery. I don't see the charging port. So you have to remove the battery to charge it. So yeah, how's this charger supposed to work? There's no port to charge the battery. That doesn't make any sense. Oh, it's in the back right here. Okay. So you can't charge the battery directly. You have to charge it in the vacuum. Okay. All right. Okay. So there's already cat litter in the bin. Just dump that back on the floor. All right. This looks like a pretty cool vacuum, so I hope you enjoyed this kind of interesting unboxing, and I will see you all in the next video, everyone.